The blockchain for beginners. What is the blockchain? Well, I like to look at the blockchain as cryptocurrency islands. Each island has its own infrastructure, its own ecosystem. So there's a Bitcoin island, there's an Ethereum island, there's a Tron island. Each one of these islands work independent from the other islands. And there are thousands of these cryptocurrency islands. In fact, there are over 11,000 of these islands in existence today. So why are there so many islands and what are they for? Well, each island runs its own ecosystem or backs its own project, and they're independent from every other island. Some islands, like Ethereum's island, will allow other cryptocurrencies to live on their island. Take, for example, Tether, USDT, is a stable coin which pegs its price to the US dollar. So one Tether is roughly worth $1. And that sits on the Ethereum island. But it also sits on the Tron island. And each of these islands run their own ledger. In that ledger is all the activity that goes on the island. When the sun comes up, when the sun goes down, when the tide comes in, when the tide goes out, whether Tether moves around on the island, every activity that happens on that island is put down in a ledger. These ledgers are run by miners. Now, they're not physical miners, human beings digging in a hole or a machine digging in a hole. They're run by computers that solve mathematical equations to keep the ledger up to date. And there's hundreds of these computers on each island, and each computer all have to agree that the ledger is correct. Are these islands safe? Can a hacker get on the island and alter the ledger? No, because each computer has a copy of the ledger, and the hacker would have to hack all of the computers on the island. Let's say the hacker decided to shut down the internet for that island. Would that cause a problem? No, because as soon as the internet is switched back on again, every computer would check their ledger to make sure that their copy of the ledger agrees with all the other computers on the island. Shut down the electricity to the island. Would that cause a problem? No. Again, once the electricity is switched back on, the island would spring into life and all the computers, the miners on the island, would agree on the ledger. So each island is completely safe from hackers. Now let's say that two of these islands wanted to do business with one another. The Ethereum island wanted to do business with the Tron island. The Ethereum island wanted to send Tether over to the Tron island. How can this be done? Well, just like in the human world, there needs to be a bridge. And on that bridge, there is what's called a smart contract. That smart contract talks to all the computers, the miners, on the Ethereum island. And that smart contract also talks to all the computers, the miners, on the Tron island. That smart contract will make sure all the ledgers are updated on the Tron island and make sure all the ledgers on the Ethereum island are updated. So once that's all been updated, the move can be done. Now there will be two Tether on the Tron island and no Tether on the Ethereum island. And that's how the islands can do business with one another. Let's say that you wanted to do business maybe with one or all of the islands. How would you do that? Now, just like the two islands carry out their business, you also need a bridge. But instead of a smart contract on your bridge between the islands, there's what's called an exchange. An exchange where you can exchange physical cash with a cryptocurrency. You could use your bank account to exchange money to a cryptocurrency, or of course you could use a credit or debit card. So that's how easy it is for you to interact with any of the crypto islands. So now that you've used your bridge to cross over onto the island, you now have a presence in both worlds. In the physical world that you live in right now, plus in the digital world on a crypto island, or maybe on many islands. So what can you actually do once you have a presence on a crypto island? Well, you could buy anything from a coffee to a property using the cryptocurrency that you hold on the cryptocurrency island. Many people like to create a passive income from their crypto island. And if a passive income is what you're really looking for, then carry on watching this video, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to have a passive income once you create a presence on any one of the cryptocurrency islands. I want to introduce you to a website called Johnny Blockchain. Make your portfolio profitable for you. Earn a passive return of up to 125% via the Tron smart contract. Now in this video I'm not going to cover smart contracts, but if you'd like me to cover that, leave me a comment below the video. Also, if you like this type of content, make sure you give me the thumbs up, click that subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. Now Johnny Blockchain is a quite unique website. Not only can you manage your cryptocurrency portfolio, buy and sell and carry out arbitrage trades, but you can also have a passive return. Now, if you're interested in finding out more about Johnny Blockchain, there's one or two things you could do. You could head over to Johnny Blockchain Direct and register over there. You can register for as little as 100 Tron. And when you pay your 100 Tron, that's about $8 in today's exchange rate. You will receive back 125 Tron, and that's where the passive income comes in. You're receiving a passive income, you're getting paid to use the Johnny Blockchain system. It's a fantastic combination and it's a win-win for everybody. But if you want to find out more about Johnny Blockchain, then below this video you're going to find a link and it's going to take you to a page just like this one. Click on that link, fill out your name and your email address, and I'll send you all the details of how to get started and how Johnny Blockchain works. You have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in another one. Take care now. Bye.